the ones we have for the next parts are gonna be the doers of the action as well as weather conditions. But the weather conditions one will be at a later time in these video series because can kind of correlate with other weather conditions or weather expressions with other affixes. So in this video, the only affix that I'm going to talk about are going to be the doers of the action, kind of for this, or the only definition, sorry. The only definition for this affix that I'll talk about is just the doers of the action definition. Because weather conditions will be with other affixes that I will explain in these advanced series. So here is our little paragraph, all right? And watch for the again, okay? Matud sa bag-ong balaod, proteksyon niyang mga sumasakay ug pasahero aron dili maka-aksidente o mag-aksidente ang mga jeepney. Dayon, ilayo nila ang mga ruta sa jeep gidili na sa mga residensya kay nagreklamo ang mga pumupuyo sa balay. Nagahadlok pud ang mga lumalakaw basi mobangga ang jeep sa kanto. Okay, that was a handful. Let me read it again for y'all one more time. And a little slower, I guess. Matud sa bag-ong balaod, proteksyon ang mga sumasakay ug pasahero aron dili mag-aksidente ang mga jeepney. Dayon, ilayo nila ang mga ruta sa jeep gidili na ang mga residensya kay nagreklamo ang mga pumupuyo sa balay. Nagahadlok pud ang mga lumalakaw basi mubangga ang jeep sa kanto. Alright, so if you take a look at the three here, sumasakay, pumupuyo, lumalakaw, okay? And these are all the doers of the action. Sumasakay, they're the people riding. They're the riders, right? The people who are riding, right? Because sukai means to ride. Puyo, the people who are dwelling, the inhabitants, yeah, the livers, or the people who are inhabiting, the dwellers. Lumalakaw, the people who are walking about. Lakaw, to walk, go about, right? Passing by.